guys, welcome back to our first video on this channel. Welcome. So this is a super cute picture frame that I have made, of course, DIY style, for those lovely ladies of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated. If you are interested in this frame, definitely check out my Poshmark at Greek Goodies. This frame will be listed there and for sale. Just wanted to kind of show off what I did. This came out so cute. It's just the right amount of bling, even though I do love all blingy things. Excuse my junky work area, but I had to do a few orders, but I just got done with this frame. Also with this frame, all of my pieces come lacquered, and I will show you in another video the type of lacquer that I use, just to make sure, especially when you're painting wood, that over time it doesn't wear out or chip, or the wood starts rubbing off and looking real janky. If you just put a couple of layers of lacquer over it, you can get your wood item some nice little shine. So if you guys want to see how I created this frame, definitely comment down below. I can drop a video on it. And also, if you are wanting to purchase it, go ahead, head over to Poshmark at Greek Goodies and put your order in, girl. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. Bye-bye. This was my first YouTube video on this channel, so of course it was a short one, but don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Let's build a little community here about all the little DIY things that I make. See you guys in the next video. Bye.